Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're talking about how to get free Nitro for 3 months. You can get 3 months of free Nitro Discord through official promotions. YouTube Premium subscribers may receive a Nitro trial as part of their perks, usually accessible through an email from YouTube. Streamlabs also offers Nitro trials with a longer duration for Streamlabs Ultra subscribers. To claim, check your YouTube or Streamlabs account for eligibility and follow the redemption steps. Keep in mind that the subscription will auto-renew unless cancelled. You have to subscribe to the Nitro option. It'll open the Discord website and make sure to log in. It offers a plan that starts at $2.99 per month. Nitro Basic costs $2.99 and Nitro costs $9.99. Next, click on Gift Nitro shown at the top. You can select the Nitro plan by paying a one-time charge of $9.99. After that, click on the Select button and select the payment method. Enter the card number, expiration date, CVC, and name of the card. That's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed it, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe.